everybody, it's the Eagle and Wolf with Wilkins Harley-Davidson here with our jump start set up and ready to go. No weather's too bad to jump start. So wanted to let everyone know you're seeing our jump start in some of the videos. We wanted to reach out to some of the local businesses and let you know if you have an event coming up this year that has a lot of people, or you may want this jump start at your event with a motorcycle so people can experience Harley-Davidson and motorcycling in a stationary environment. Please let us know. We'd love to try and schedule that with you.